In this ukulele video, we're going to continue on our journey of these practice tips that I'm giving you to make you a great ukulele player. And this one is called Memorize. All right, so welcome to ukelikethepros. Thank you for being here. I'm Terry Carter, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all of the lessons, reviews, ukulele, baritone, and guitarlele we do right here on our channel. All right, so this is part of our practice tips series that we're doing, and this one is just simply entitled Memorize. Now, that can mean a bunch of things. What does it mean? Well, what am I talking about? The first thing I'm going to talk about here is your chords, okay? Get all your chords, especially the open position chords, the chords that you use the most, the open position major chords, minor chords, seventh chords, okay? Get those memorized, okay? Because those are the ones you're going to see time and time again. And when you see them in charts, automatically your brain is going to go to that chord. Instead of having to rely on that chord diagram, one, it takes time, and two, it's gonna make your switching chords slower, and it's just gonna, frustrate you if you can't read the chord diagram in time. If you struggle with any of these chords or you don't have a great chart, I'm going to put a link so you can get my ukelikethepros chord chart. It's going to have all your open position major chords, minor chords, seventh chords, and then beyond. We also get into some sus chords, some seventh chords, that kind of stuff like that. So anyway, I'll put a link below so you can get that free ukelikethepros chord chart for you. All right, so memorize the chords. Do whatever you got to do to get the chords memorized, even if it's just repetition, time and time and time and time. You got to play them in order to get them down. All right, so that's one thing. It also can mean if you're a singer, memorizing the lyrics. That's very important, because if you're always focusing on looking at the sheet of music for the lyrics, you lose something, because you can't focus on your voice as much because you're focusing on the music. So if you're a singer, the faster you can get either the lyrics memorized, the melody memorized, or if you're a player, not only the chords, but maybe the chord progression. You want to work on getting all this stuff memorized. You're going to be able to play it with so much more emotion and feeling. Notice the best guys in the world, the pros, they're not up on stage looking at music. They got it inside, and that way they're able to internalize it. All right. So trust me, this memorization will be a key to your practicing tips. So anyway, thank you for being here. Leave a comment. Let me know how you do with memorizing the chords or lyrics, chord progression. Some people really struggle with it. It's just a matter of repetition. And don't forget, get that free ukelikethepros chord chart. That's going to do it for this one, and we'll see you in the next one.